Final touch obviously is now the carpet and inside cleaning, the general inside cleaning. What about this?
The inside of the car actually traps a lot of different types of dirt. You find hair, food, stains, dirt, bacteria and mold. They're all in the car. So what we have is the Sonax interior cleaner, and this will help remove all this dirt and give your car a very nice clean smell and clean feel after that. And what we do is we spray on the interior cleaner like this. And all we need to do is wipe, and it foams. This goes in, takes out the dirt, and leaves a nice smell in the car. And you can see the cloth, all dirt in the cloth. If you have a very, very dirty interior, it helps if you have a brush, a soft plastic brush, and you spray the interior cleaner exactly the same way, and you use the brush to brush out all the dirt. So generally, the interior cleaner will work for most of the interior cleaning, except when you have an oil-based stain. And when you have an oil-based stain, you need the stain remover.
We see some spots here.
It most probably means that it's an oil-based stain. What you do is you spray it onto the stain, and you rub. There you go.
Thank you. Lovely.